Welcome to Cubing Corner, your place to learn, practice, and improve at solving Rubik's Cubes and puzzle variation. Now, we are to finally solve and complete the second layer, which of course solves this entire Pyraminx. Before we continue, please do subscribe and join us in our journey as we learn, improve, and grow together in the world of cubing. So we now have here fixed edges for our second layer. Take note, our bottom color here, bottom face is blue, it's already good. The first layer is already good. When we talk about the second layer, we have fixed in terms of making sure that our edges would have the same color, green and green, yellow and yellow, red and red. So if in case that it will be just like this one here, just like this one, so just simply rotate the top layer, the second layer, in such a way, either U or U prime, in such a way that the centers now will have the same color. So this is now the correct position, yellow, yellow, yellow. Though this is red and red, it's still good. Red, 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 green, green, and green. So to solve for this, we have two possible variations. And these variations are dependent on the positions of our edges. Talking about looking this in a top view position. So in our top view position, we can see that the colors of the edges are just rotated clockwise rather. Meaning the yellow supposedly from here, yellow is now here. The green supposedly from here, it's now here, and the red is from here. So they are now rotated clockwise. So what we have to do here in fixing this is to move the edges counterclockwise. That's one variation. If what you want to do is putting these edges in a counterclockwise movement. Of course, you can do it like that, meaning the edges are good, but still, the centers are not correct. So again, we start with the correct centers, looking at the top view, and we can see that to solve for this, we would like the edges, the pair of edges, to be moved counterclockwise. And if that would be the case, we are going to use this algorithm in moving the pairs of edges counterclockwise. We would start with the movement here. So we'll have R prime, okay? So don't worry about, by the way, this one here, just like in the last step for the Rubik's Cube, don't worry about mixing this and the layer here. As long as you have reached up to this point, your last goal is to fix the pairs of edges. So again, counterclockwise movement, you will have here the R prime. Then you will have here your U. Then you will have your R. Then another U. And finally, you will have another R prime. And you will have here U. And then you will have here your R. With that movement, we now finally fixed our Pyraminx. So again, that was used when the pairs of edges that are not placed in the correct centers must be moved in a counterclockwise direction. Allow me to put the other variation, okay? I'm going to do the fast forward motion, so allow me to do this. Now, this is the second variation I'm talking about. So again, we have the centers here correct, red, red, green, green, and the pairs of edges shares the same color. By looking into it as in a top view, you would see that our red here, pairs of red, must be placed here. These two yellow must be placed here. These two greens must be placed here. So this time, we would like to move the pairs of edges in a clockwise direction. Earlier, we have solved the Pyraminx using the counterclockwise direction. This time, a clockwise direction, a different pairs or algorithm. And we're going to use this algorithm here. Let's start with R, U prime. So this will be in these directions now. Then we have your R prime, U prime. Then you have your R again. And then you have your U prime, and finally you will have your R prime. And this time, all the colors are now in correct position. We have now solved our Pyraminx. So these are two variations for the last and the complete second layer. And once we do that, we have now solved the appropriate portions of our Pyraminx. Let's not forget that at Cubing Corner, we believe every solver starts somewhere, one turn at a time.